Bulk package updates using Conda. Is there a way, using Conda Update, that I can list outdated packages and select or bulk update compatible packages in Anaconda? It doesn't make much sense updating the packages individually as there are hundreds of them.
You want Conda Update All. Conda Search Outdated will show outdated packages, and Conda Update All will update them. Note that the latter will not update you from Python 2 to Python 3, but the former will show Python as being outdated if you do use Python 2.
The Conda Package Manager is almost ready for beta testing, but it will not be fully integrated until the release of Spider 2.4, this URL. As soon as we have it ready for testing, we will post something on the mailing list, this URL. Be sure to subscribe. Cheers!
Before you proceed to Conda Update All command, first update Conda with Conda Update Conda command if you haven't updated it for a long time. It happened to me, Python the 2nd of July 13 on Anaconda 64 bits.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.